Jotform tutorial. How to use Jotform. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Jotform. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, if you don't know what Jotform is, it's basically a tool that you can use to create amazing looking forms, integrate them with other business apps, and collect payments as well, as this website says. Now, the sign up process is very simple and it's free as well. So we're going to go ahead and sign up. So all you have to do is just simply click on over here and you are good to go. But there is a pricing plan, however. So let me just show you that. So this is the pricing plan. As you can see, we have the starter, the bronze, silver, gold, and the enterprise. And we are free. Then we have $34 per month, then $39 per month, and $99 per month. And over here, you can see you can create 5 forms. In the free pack, you can get 100 MBs of available space. You have 100 monthly submissions, 1,000 monthly form views. You have all these different applications. It's basically the free plan is basically for you to try it out. After that, you get the paid plans. Although 25 forms, although I'm not really sure about that, but it depends on you which one you want. So for now, we can just go ahead and stick with the free one and just see how it feels. And once you have signed up, this is how it's going to look like. You have your pre-made forms right here. You have your options right here on the left hand side. You can create a new folder. You can create a new team, share it with me, assign forms to different people. You can have your my drafts or your favorites and archives and trash are going to be over here. And you can create a form by clicking on this button. And over at the top, you have these different options. You have the template options, the integration option, the products, support, and enterprise. Now, to create a form, you can just simply click on this button right here, or you can just simply select a template as well. So as you can see, you have card templates, store builder templates, app templates, table templates, PDF templates, and sign templates as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at form templates right here. And over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options to choose from. This is an e-commerce form, there's a business form, education form, we have customer service, feedback forms as well. And as you can see, we can choose the new customer registration form, course registration form, we have PayPal business, we have fancy envelope contact forms, we have product purchase. We can choose any of these forms we like and we should be good to go. So you don't have to worry about that. You just simply choose a template and you should be good to go. And over here on the left hand side, you have your categories and industries and whatnot. So you can choose whichever one you want. And over here, you have esthetician forms, merchant forms, personal trainer forms, pharmacist forms. You have basically all the categories that you can think of right here. So let's go ahead and choose one. Let's go ahead and select a survey form, right? Survey forms are really nice. Over here, we can go ahead and preview this form right here. And you can see you have different options right here, right? So have you attended this event before? Overall satisfaction level, very simple, very standard form to the point. So you can go ahead and use this template by clicking on use template button and you can go ahead and modify it to your needs. It depends on you. And over here, you just organize the settings. You upload your organization logo and your organization name, and you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and upload our logo right here, and we'll just say Happy Mushroom and click on Save. And now we are good to go. Now over here, we can go ahead and build this out. All right. So to add different elements to a form, all you have to do is click on this button right here, and it's going to pop up all these different options right here. So all you have to do is just simply drag and drop them wherever you want, right? So we have our signature right here. So what we can do is we can just add in right here. We can move it at the top if we want to, or move it at the bottom if we want to as well. I think it looks nice over here, but I don't think we need to add a signature to a survey form. But it was just to show you that how easy it is, right? So all you got to do is just simply drag and drop them right over here. Now, you also have different widgets as well. So you can form calculator, you can add that over here, signature, configuration table, take photo, all these different options to choose from, and you can add them right over here. And you also have your payment options as well. You can go ahead and add them right here. Now, in order to add these elements or payment options, what you have to do is, let me go back right here. So for that, all you have to do is just simply click on these integrations right here, and you can see you have CRM integration, storage, payments, and emails. So you can go ahead and integrate these applications as well. So let's say we want to integrate an email, right? We want to integrate So all we would have to do is just choose it right here, or we can see other integrations as well. Let's say we want to select Google Sheets or Slack, right? We'll just select these applications, and this is how it looks like. Over here, as you can see, the integration, you will fill out this form with your name, email, and Google Sheets will automatically add that over there as well. So it's really cool. So what we can do is we can click on add to form, right? It's going to open up over here, and then you just simply select the form you want. Now we just simply select a form, and over here we have these different forms, right? We have feedback form, raffle ticket form, or order cancellation as well. Or we can create a form as well. So let's go ahead and create a form. This way you'll understand how to create a form as well. So first we come over here into the build section, and we just simply drag and drop our options right here. So we click on this plus icon and add our elements. So first things first, what we'll do is we'll add the heading right over here. One second. Or instead, we just remove this one right here, and we add our heading right here. And over here, we fill out the form or whatever heading we want. You can add your subheading over here, and then we add, let's say, a full name right here, first name, last name, and then we add the email address right here. If we want to add a phone number, we can add that as well. But also, as you can see, we can move this around as well. Can we go ahead and make it shorter? We click on the properties, and over here we can align it to left, right, center, wherever we want. We can even go ahead and put it at the top. We can add required, so it is required right now. We click on the options, we can see entry limit and all of the other options as well. And then we have the advanced where we can add placeholders, hover text, and all of that. And we also have field details right here. So we can go ahead and add these different codes and unique names as well. But for now, I think this looks good. So let's go ahead and make this required as well, like so. Now we add a phone number right here. It's actually up at the top, and we make this required as well, like so. And after that, we just add in the submit button, and that should be good to go. We can even add appointments or book letters or paragraphs and other options as well, but for now I think this looks good. And then we just simply click on submit, and we should be good to go. And then we just simply click on the settings option right here to add the integrations right here, as you can see. So we just simply select the Google Sheets, and we just simply click on authenticate. After that, just simply choose create a new spreadsheet or use an existing one. It depends on you. We'll just simply go ahead and create a new spreadsheet. We'll name the spreadsheet form, and worksheet name is going to be from responses, and we just simply click on save, and that should be good to go. And we can view our worksheet right here, or spreadsheet, whatever you want to call it. As you can see right here, it's loading up. There we go. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So let's go ahead and finish this up and click on publish. So this is the link. Let's go ahead and open it up in a new tab, and let's go ahead and fill it out. So this is the form. We have the name, last name, email. So let's go ahead and fill it out. We'll go ahead and say James Stephen. It's a weird name. Example@example.com. And we'll add a weird number right here, and we should be good to go. And then we just simply click on submit. Now, if we have submitted it, now if we come over here onto the forms, we can see that the submission is actually working. And over here, we can see the phone numbers, and we can see the first name, last name, all of them right here. As you can see, let me go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. There we go. So as you can see, it actually works. We have the submission date, first name, last name, example, phone number, and we are good to go. So as you can see, it actually works, and it's really good, and it's just so easy. So very simple. This is how you use Jotforms to create forms and integrate them with other applications. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.